If you're a music enthusiast or someone looking for a top-tier home audio system, this Echo Studio Plus Echo Sub Bundle is a combination that redefines how you experience sound. This powerful duo brings immersive sound, room-filling bass, and smart voice control into your living space. In this review, we'll dive into every aspect of this incredible pair, from its features to its performance, ensuring you have all the details to make an informed decision. Why choose the Echo Studio Echo Sub Bundle? The Echo Studio stands out as one of Amazon's most advanced smart speakers, and when paired with the Echo Sub, it creates an unparalleled audio experience. Whether you're streaming music, watching movies, or hosting a party, this combination delivers rich bass, dynamic mid-range, and crystal clear highs. With Dolby Atmos technology, the Echo Studio adds depth, clarity, and a spatial audio effect that feels like you're in the middle of a live concert. The Echo Sub complements this with its down-firing 6-inch woofer, providing room-shaking bass that you can feel in every corner. Key features of Echo Studio plus Echo Sub Bundle. 1. Immersive sound with Dolby Atmos technology. The Echo Studio's 5-speaker array produces powerful sound with excellent clarity. Its integration of Dolby Atmos technology enhances the audio, creating a three-dimensional effect that adds space and depth to every track. 2. Rich bass from Echo Sub. The Echo Sub is equipped with a 6-inch down-firing woofer that delivers deep, resonant bass. Whether you're listening to your favorite EDM tracks or a symphony orchestra, the bass adds a layer of richness that transforms your listening experience. 3. Voice-controlled music streaming. With Alexa built in, you can stream songs from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, Tidal, and more with simple voice commands. The Echo Studio also supports Amazon Music HD, giving you access to millions of HD and 3D songs. 4. Automatic room adaptation. The Echo Studio adapts to your room's acoustics, fine-tuning playback for optimal sound. Whether you place it in a small bedroom or a spacious living room, you'll enjoy consistent audio quality. 5. Smart home integration. Beyond its audio capabilities, the Echo Studio serves as a hub for your smart home devices. Control lights, thermostats, and more with just your voice, making it a multifunctional addition to your home. 6. Sleek and modern design. Both the Echo Studio and Echo Sub feature a minimalistic design that complements any room. Their sleek exteriors blend seamlessly with your home decor while delivering exceptional performance. Real-life applications. How this bundle enhances your daily life. 1. Home theater experience. Pair the Echo Studio and Echo Sub with your Fire TV to create a home theater setup. Enjoy movies, shows, and games with immersive sound that rivals traditional surround sound systems. 2. Perfect for parties. Hosting a party? This bundle ensures your music fills every corner of the room. The Echo Sub's deep bass keeps the energy high, while the Echo Studio delivers crisp, detailed audio. 3. Personalized listening. Create the perfect ambiance for relaxation or productivity by customizing the sound settings. Whether it's soft jazz for a cozy evening or upbeat tunes for a workout, this bundle adapts to your mood. Setup and user experience. Setting up the Echo Studio and Echo Sub is a breeze. Simply connect the devices via the Alexa app, and the system takes care of the rest. The automatic room adaptation feature ensures that the sound is optimized for your space without requiring any manual adjustments. The voice control functionality is intuitive and responsive, allowing you to change tracks, adjust the volume, or switch inputs without lifting a finger. Why you'll love the Echo Studio plus Echo Sub Bundle? 1. Superior audio quality. Whether you're an audiophile or a casual listener, the sound quality is impressive, with deep bass, clear highs, and a dynamic mid-range. 2. Ease of use. The integration with Alexa makes this bundle user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. 3. Value for money. Compared to standalone high-end audio systems, this bundle offers exceptional performance at a fraction of the price. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.